Hi, I'm Steve. Welcome to the introduction video of SDS Manager. The main purpose of an SDS library is to maintain a list of safety data sheets for the chemicals used in your company and ensure they are readily accessible to your employees. You can set up your SDS library by importing SDSs for your products or use our built-in solutions for finding your SDSs. Your employees accesses the library by scanning a QR code or using a web URL. Once they are at the library, they can simply type in part of the product name, supplier name, or the CAS number of the product to find the SDS. Once they have found the SDS, they can access first aid, fire, and accidental release information with one click. They can click on the icon, and it will take them to the first aid section on the safety data sheet. With just a few clicks, they can easily print secondary container labels. These labels are available in various sizes and can be printed using your label printer. Each label features a QR code that provides instant access to the safety data sheet for the specific product. On the administrative side, we've designed solutions that allows you to set up your SDS library using a few simple and efficient methods. You can create multiple locations and delegate access, ensuring that each team member has the right level of access to the relevant safety data sheets. If you already have PDF SDS files for products you are using, you can easily import them into SDS Manager. Just select multiple files together and drag and drop to upload them. Our system automatically reads all that information in the PDF file you import and automatically add the SDS to your library with zero typing. Even the PPE icons in the SDS file is detected using OCR and automatically made available for your employees. Once the upload is complete, the SDSs will be automatically added to your library. For products you do not already have the safety data sheet files, you can simply search our database of 14 million safety data sheets. If you find the safety data sheet on our database, you can simply click on the plus icon, select the location, and click Add to add the safety data sheet to your library. If you don't find the safety data sheet on our database, you can use our integrated Google Safety Datasheet search tool to search for the product you are looking for without any typing. Once you have found the SDS, you can download it into your computer. Then head back to SDS Manager and drag and drop the SDS file to upload it and add it to your library. If you have an XLS file of your products, you can import the file into SDS Manager by a simple drag and drop. You can then use the imported list to find your safety data sheets. SDS Manager actively scans thousands of websites to find updated versions of your safety data sheets. When a new version is detected, we notify you. You also have the option to enable our autopilot mode, where your safety data sheets are automatically updated as soon as a new version is found. Our filter options make it easy to quickly find exactly what you need. You can perform a free text search, such as looking for SDSs that requires eye wash. You can search for products containing a specific ingredient such as lead. You can also sort your library by categories such as pictograms, hazard statements, revision date, and more. Thank you for watching this introduction video. For more detailed tutorials and support, please visit our Help Center or contact our support team. Stay safe and keep your workplace compliant with SDS Manager.